the 7-day itinerary, a journey through Kyoto. Welcome back, fellow travelers, to another exciting adventure with the 7-day itinerary. If you enjoy our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. In this episode, we're delving into the cultural heart of Japan, exploring the ancient city of Kyoto. Whether you're a budget-conscious backpacker, a mid-range explorer, or seeking luxury indulgence, we've got you covered with accommodation options. So let's dive into our 7-day itinerary, filled with breathtaking sights, delicious cuisine, and unforgettable experiences. Day 1. Arrival and exploration. Upon arrival, settle into your chosen accommodation. Budget hotel. Stay at Kyoto Morris Hostel for a cozy and affordable stay in the heart of the city. Mid-range hotel. Experience comfort and convenience at the Kyoto Granbell Hotel. Luxury hotel. Indulge in opulence at the Ritz-Carlton Kyoto, boasting luxurious amenities and stunning views. After checking in, kick off your exploration with a stroll through Gion district, famous for its traditional wooden machiya houses and geisha sightings. Dive into authentic Japanese cuisine at Gion Kappa for dinner, where you can savor delicious sushi and sashimi. Day 2. Cultural immersion. Start your day with a visit to the iconic Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion, shimmering majestically amidst serene gardens. Next, head to Arashiyama to wander through the enchanting bamboo groves and visit the historic Tenryuji Temple. Refuel with a traditional Japanese lunch at Arashiyama Yoshimura. In the afternoon, embark on a cultural excursion with Samurai Kenbu Kyoto, where you can learn the art of samurai swordsmanship. End your day with a tranquil evening at Fushimi Inari Taisha, exploring the famous Torii gates illuminated against the night sky. Day 3. Culinary delights. Delve into Kyoto's culinary scene by joining a cooking class at Cooking Sun Kyoto, where you'll learn to prepare traditional dishes like sushi, tempura, and matcha desserts. Enjoy the fruits of your labor for lunch before exploring Nishiki Market, known as Kyoto's Kitchen, offering a plethora of local delicacies and fresh produce. In the evening, dine at Ganko Takasegawa Nijoen, a historic restaurant overlooking a picturesque garden, serving exquisite kaiseki cuisine. Day 4. Historical gems. Immerse yourself in Kyoto's rich history with visits to the UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Kiyomizu-dera Temple and Nijo Castle, both offering fascinating insights into Japan's past. Enjoy lunch at the quaint tea house within Kiyomizu-dera's grounds. In the afternoon, explore the Kyoto National Museum, housing an impressive collection of Japanese artifacts and artworks spanning centuries. Wind down the day with a leisurely stroll along the Philosopher's Path, lined with cherry blossoms in spring and maple trees in autumn. Day 5. Day trip to Nara. Embark on a day trip to Nara, just a short train ride away from Kyoto. Explore Nara Park, home to friendly deer considered sacred in Japanese culture, and visit Todai-ji Temple, housing the great Buddha statue. Enjoy lunch at a local eatery before returning to Kyoto for the evening. Day 6. Zen retreat. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city with a visit to the serene Ryoan-ji Temple, famous for its minimalist rock garden that embodies Zen principles. Continue your Zen retreat with a meditation session at Shunkoin Temple, led by English-speaking monks. Savor a vegetarian Shojin Ryori meal at a traditional Buddhist temple before spending the evening relaxing at your accommodation or exploring Kyoto's nightlife scene. Day 7. Farewell and reflection. As your journey in Kyoto comes to an end, take some time to reflect on your experiences and memories made in this captivating city. Before departing, pick up some souvenirs at Kyoto Handicraft Center, or explore the bustling streets of Teramachi and Shinkyogoku shopping arcades for last-minute gifts. Remember, while our recommendations aim to enhance your travel experience, always ensure to check current travel advisories and guidelines. Until next time, happy travels. Disclaimer: the recommendations provided are based on personal experiences and research. The 7-day itinerary has not received any compensation from the companies mentioned in this video.